What is up, mustache people? This is Young. Welcome back to channel. Thumbnail చూసుంటారు కదా. This is all about the trimmers video. Philips versus Bombay Shaving Company. Amazon sale में I bought them almost at a similar price point, close to 3,000 rupees. हाँ, expensive, but this is something which lasts years and years, and of course you are gonna use it a lot. అంటే beard, mustache, everything ఉంటే అనుకోండి. First of all, the Philips trimmer. This is a 13-in-1 trimmer which they market it on top of that box, but it's basically an all-in-one trimmer which you can use it for your mustache, beard, hair, and also you have other clip-ons that can shave your arms, body hair, etc. What I like about it, because I'm using this almost since last couple of months, and I have this similar product with me before as well. What I love about it, for the mustache and everything, the pinpoint precision for these kind of areas and the side areas, I use this a lot. This is the main clipper which you get with this Philips trimmer. This one is like pretty sharp to an extent that for the first few weeks until it gets softened down, you have to be slightly careful. That's something you need to look at these clippers from the Philips. I do have the previous version of this which I'm using since years. I use those clippers as well. Those are like smooth. I don't know like 10 years before like how they were, but that is something you need to consider. And the other clippers which I use in terms of my beard settings, one of course is this 12 mm clippers. You do get 16 mm clippers. Different clippers you do get with the Philips trimmer, which is like really handy in case if you want to do haircut. Whenever I want a quick haircut, the side portions particularly, in case if I need, or maybe for the side locks in case if I have to go with a specific setting. For the 3 to 5 mm there is an additional clipper. This is from my previous Philips trimmer. Here you guys can see this is the upgraded version of that which comes with the newer Philips trimmer. This is again for that minute adjustment settings starting from 1, 1.2, 2, 2.4, 2.2, 2.6. Very pinpoint precision you can get in terms of the how much length your beard needs. That's what I love. The clippers makes it a really good product, but my favorite has to be this mustache clipper which it comes with. It doesn't comes with the USB-C charging. I'm not sure why Philips doesn't offer at this particular time, when each and everything comes with USB-C, they go with a standard charger, and right now you don't get the charger plug as well. With my previous Philips trimmer I used to get, right now it's just the normal cable. You need to just connect with again a USB-A to this particular port. That is something I didn't like. And when it comes to charging, once you keep charging, the runtime is like pretty good. At least you do get 4 to 5 normal beard trimmings out of it. That's how good this particular Philips trimmer is. And when it comes to holding this trimmer, this rubber areas they have a nice hold to it, and other than that it's basically a smooth area. Backside you do have grip while just trimming it. The grip is like really underrated. People don't talk about like how grippy it should be, because otherwise if it slides from your hand, మేసం సగం గట్ అయిపోద్ది అనమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్. Again, the indicators, the wet and dry, everything is good. And now let's talk about the Bombay Shaving Company trimmer. Bombay Shaving Company trimmer, I actually bought a gift set kind of a box, which is a travel box which you can get, and it have the slots for all the different clippers, the body clipper, the hair, the nose, and everything, which pretty much the Philips also have. Here you do get like couple of additional clippers as well. This box anyway I'm not gonna carry when I'm traveling. This I generally used to keep it in my toiletry bag, but that is a good touch to have it. Again, this is also priced close to 3,000 or 2,700 rupees after discount. I like the look of it, to be very honest. Maybe because I was used to that Philips look since so many years, I feel this refreshing. But anyway, look doesn't matter for a trimmer, because of course the functionality and how well it works, that's what it matters. Gray, black color. Here you do have that screen that displays how much percentage of charging it is left here. I think 53% right now. So that's what. And again, the other advantage when it compared to the Philips trimmer is that it comes with a USB-C and it charges really quick. Philips one, it takes a minimum of 1.5 to 2 hours, which is a crime during this point of time when technology is so much developed. And this one barely, it takes 35 to 40 minutes to charge from 20 to 80%, which is like more than enough for 3 to 4 trimmers. And also it has that quick charge technology as well. And other than that, what I like is that this one is like pretty much water resistant. because you can dip it and directly clean irrespective of the port and everything. For Philips, it is not recommended actually, because it comes with other standardized charges specific to that, right? Because of that pins, it's not exactly water resistant. Means the clippers and everything you can dip, but not the entire trimmer. That's what advantage for this Bombay Shaving company. And the other thing what I noticed is that the blades, even though these are like pretty good, this is not to the standard of the precision in terms of the sharpness. It gives the nice trimming. It will not hurt your skin even from the very first day, but it will not remove the hair as it is intended to be in case if you're not using without any clipper, because the blades are not super sharp, and this is after 2 or 3 months. Imagine that after maybe an year of continuous usage, you may not get the best value out of it, but it's buttery smooth. It will not hurt your skin at all in case if you use this trimmer without any clipper. That's one advantage, but partial disadvantage is there. But in case if you don't compare this with the Philips trimmer, it is really good. It comes with a multiple clippers, the different clippers for the hair, for the body hair, like whatnot. You do get everything, but one thing that is missing is that pinpoint precision clipper, which I loved for the Philips, for mustaches and for the areas where actually you don't need this much width of the blade. If you get similar price points for both of them on Amazon, one, if you are the one who is looking for long-term durability and pinpoint precision and clippers like this for the mustache, I would say that go with the Philips one, but the problem is that slow charging, and also you will not find, in case if you lose the cable, you will not find the exact cable to charge this, so it will become useless. So that is something you need to consider. The trimmer, of course, it is not as good as the blade or a razor, of course, I do understand, but slightly this Philips one is better. But if you're okay with that and you want multiple clippers, and in case if you frequently do body hair trimming or like the nose hair or the haircuts, again the Bombay Shaving one is better for me. Of course, with this particular clipper and also the long-term durability, Philips win this, but again this is also close, and you will not be disappointed with Bombay Shaving company as well. Both are like really good options, but again this is not for the long term. The crispness or the sharpness, it will not fare well with time. That is something you need to consider. But battery, the charging capabilities, the clippers, the water resistant, like makes it a good enough compelling option. Both the trimmers links along with the other budget options from this same brands or maybe from the different brands, I will leave all the links in the description below. Again, on top of these options, sale chal raha hai, you can get these close to 3,000 rupees, sometimes even lesser if you apply all the coupons and card discounts. Next video milte hain.